Hey, Gretchen Yui here. This video is about the options we have when we decide to enroll as a LifeWave brand partner, what those enrollment kits look like, and what goals they help us achieve. So here's a video that I made a few weeks ago, and I will be back in just a minute. Wanting to establish a brand partner account? Which enrollment kit is best for you? Well, that depends. What are your goals? Want the best value? Well, the larger the kit, the less expensive the products. The diamond kit is the very best value. Want to earn maximum weekly commissions? A gold, platinum, or diamond kit will ensure you meet one of the requirements to increase rank for full weekly compensation. Want to get enough product to last you for 2 to 3 months so you can save on shipping? A silver or larger kit will allow you to do that. It just depends on what you want to order. These kits are completely customizable. With that being said, please speak with the person who invited you to watch this video to get directions for establishing your LifeWave account today. Here's an up-close view of the different brand partner enrollment kits. These are totally customizable kits. The bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and diamond kit have an enrollment fee built into the price that you're seeing here. So a bronze kit, $124.95, silver, $299.95, gold, $499.95, platinum, $999.95, and our diamond kit is $1,599.95. Like I said, they're customizable. The number of sleeves or envelopes of patches, and each envelope has 30 patches. So in most cases, for example, with X39, a 30 patch supply is a month's supply of patches. You'll see how many sleeves or envelopes you can put in each of these different enrollment kits. There's an asterisk here because our products that start with X, that being X39 and X49, take 2 points. So if you consider these points, for example, the bronze kit, you could put 1 envelope of X39 in it, or some of our other patches, which we consider regular patches, you could put, for example, 1 sleeve of Aeon and 1 sleeve of IceWave in a bronze kit, because those 2 patches only each take 1 point. So that's how I explain it to people. Again, they're completely customizable. So whatever patches you are interested in, there should be a way to fit them into these kits and make it so that it works really well for you. All right, I'm back. I hope that was helpful. My email is below in the description if you have questions. If you're ready to join LifeWave and enroll, I have other videos that explain how to do that. My link for that is below as well if you aren't already working with someone and would like to have me as your sponsor. I would be so happy to sponsor you and support you on your LifeWave journey. So keep in mind that my link is below for that. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll have more helpful, informative videos coming out for a long, long time. So join up and follow me on this journey. And thank you for watching.